The Qigong Institute is a nonprofit organization dedicated to Qigong education and research. Please visit our website, qigonginstitute.org.
With Qigong, we have a good emphasis on the posture, on our alignment, and also we know about various different points on the body that can amplify the healing from what Western medicine knows. As an example, here's a nurse who worked in one of the best medical centers in the country, having the best medical care possible, being on very good terms with all of the doctors there, and she would have been on pain medication for the rest of her life. How much would that have cost her? Would that have cost the economy? How many other people are like that with doing pain medication when their own minds and their own bodies could be helping them to heal themselves? And what kind of cost savings would that be? As well as the more important thing, what would that do to help the person's own feeling of power and the ability to heal themselves with their own energy? So in terms of working with chronic pain, Qigong can be very helpful. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of the deeper elements of integrating Qigong with psychotherapy. And I want to tell you why psychotherapists first would not really want to integrate things like this as well as relaxation techniques. The basic idea in deep, in-depth psychotherapy is that you don't want to do soothing things because you want the person to be able to feel anxiety or whatever is there in order to work it through. And this, I think, is something negative as well as something positive, because a lot of people go to drugs, and in a sense, our Qi is like a drug. And so we can get various different aspects of our brain chemistry going when we do Qigong, when we do running and other things, and avoid the working through process of our own anxiety. But again, I don't think this needs to be a split. We don't need to have one or the other. Once we're conscious of that dimension of things, we can integrate both, and that's why it's a really beautiful marriage between Qigong and psychotherapy. It's like in the West, something that's been split apart that needs to come back together again.
To purchase a DVD, please visit qigonginstitute.org.